Oh my God.
Kasi ito yung mga bagay na hindi rin masyado na pag-uusapan sa industry.
Correct.
Shoes. Let's talk about Manels versus Rusty Lopez.
Oh my God. First of all, the name Manels.
Ang
Diba?
bakla, di ba?
Manels.
Hindi, sorry Mr. Manels yung kung nakikinig man ng may-ari. It's such an iconic name.
It's such an iconic, it's so unapologetically effeminate. Manels.
Manels. Anong shoes mo today?
Manels.
Ganda.
Diba? Manels my back, lick my and my
O, di ba? Manels.
Manels, diba?
Hindi parang, anong shoes mo today? Zenko Footstep. No,
No,
Manels.
Saka Manels, like when you say the brand name, it asks you to be gentle and precise. It has to be
Di ba?
Manels.
Oo.
I mean,
Pero parang ang edgy rin kasi pakinggan ng Rusty Lopez.
correct. Parang, wait, a person that has an adjective for a first name?
Paano yun?
Ano yun?
Pero yung Manels, parang ang soft niya eh.
Yeah. Banayad.
Banayad. It's cushiony. Alam mo
Correct.
yun?
It is the downy